Hey everyone, I wanted to show you this Outset cleaning coil brush. Now, I'm not going to show you so much how it works. I'm going to tell you exactly why I went ahead and bought it though. See, I was using the old brushes before and I never really cared for the bristles after time falling out, but it wasn't until I was actually cleaning this propane grill out and I got to the bottom and I started cleaning out the bottom and I realized I was getting stuck with all of those bristles that were falling out, and I had no idea that they were there in that grease. Now, I'm not worried about that so much. I'm not worried about my hands so much. What I was worried about is the actual action of going ahead and cleaning off my grill using the brush, and if just one of those bristles got caught with some goop on this grate and then I drop a burger or some food on top of that, I immediately just went online. I even had this old one that was my backup to be able to have. As you can see, I've not used it because it's going to get thrown out, but I wanted to use this just as an example. Now, if you look very closely at these grates, and yeah, this is a little bit old, I'm due to buy another one right now. Now, it's not to say that these won't fall off, but these are definitely bigger, and when they do fall off, you're definitely going to be able to see them a little bit better. I'm going to be using this. I've got a couple of other things that I've been trying as well, but I've been very pleased with this because it holds together very well. It does a great job in being able to clean these off, and I really haven't had any complaints. And for me, it's a peace of mind type of thing. I just won't ever go back to those brushes again because I just can't trust that. So I'm just sharing this with you. Don't mean to scare you. I think that this is definitely a better product. So I highly recommend, if you're going to buy a grill brush, go with one of these types here, the coils brushes rather than the straight brushes. So I hope this was helpful. You guys have a great day.